Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to send a PayPal invoice. If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who needs to get paid securely, PayPal makes it simple and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be sending invoices like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't, sign up for free at paypal.com. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, head to the top of your dashboard and click on the Request tab. From there, select Create an Invoice to get started. Now, you'll see a new invoice form. Begin by entering the recipient's details, like their email address or phone number. If they're in your PayPal contacts, you can select them directly to save time. Next, add the specifics of your invoice. Include a clear description of the goods or services, the quantity, unit price, and any subtotal. Don't forget to add taxes, discounts, or shipping fees if they apply. This helps avoid any confusion for the recipient. Once everything is filled out, you can personalize it further. Add a custom message, set a due date, or even include your business logo for a professional touch. PayPal offers templates to make this even easier. Before sending, take a moment to review your invoice. Double-check the amounts, recipient info, and details to ensure accuracy. When you're ready, hit the Send button, and PayPal will email the invoice directly to them. After sending, you can track the status in your PayPal dashboard. You'll see if it's been viewed, paid, or if follow-up is needed. That's it. You've just sent your first PayPal invoice. Remember, using PayPal invoices is secure and helps you get paid faster. If you have any questions or run into issues, PayPal's support is always there to help. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you next time.